And so you became very good trackers yesterday. And you were really good at looking at all those things. Today, we're going to be looking at colours. Just show what you've chosen to the person next to you.
I got D-W.
Choose another one.
A little bit more like this one.
That one's called Pale Tendril. There's a little flower here. Can you match that one? See that little flower?
The yellow bit or the green bit?
Yeah, the yellow bit. Where do you think that should go? Right there. What's that one called? Forever Bright.
We're out in the bush trying to match colours from like the bark and trees out of these. I've already found one which is called Snuggle Pie on the tree here.
Feels warm when you do that and it tickles and it's not like the same colour. So like the bottom one connects with the green one.
I found a fizzy lime colour leaf stalk here. I'm matching the stalk with the fizzy lime colour on a card.
Which one do you think?
Maybe the bottom one.
The bottom one?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Yeah, it's pretty close.
Okay, so you've all got a clipboard and I'm going to give you all some paper. Then we're going to give them a drawing frame. It's a small black frame which they're going to then put down somewhere in the bush and then draw exactly what's in that frame, and that really helps to get them really focused in on a small area. That's fantastic! Isn't that lovely? The bug's home.
Yeah, you don't have to put it on the ground. You can use different stuff.
Then we're going to do some, use a mallet to beat the life out of some green leaves,
cool.
so they can put an imprint on the paper.
So Japanese, doesn't it? Like a Japanese painting. It's beautiful.
That's so gorgeous. Really, I love your little gum nuts in there, and I love all your shading, the darker leaves there. Well, I like the red colour in that corner there. Beautiful. Very nice. I like the way you've selected the sort of old and new leaves together. So you've got the little, you know, the strong and the weak ones together. We've chosen two areas at the entrance or at the exit of the playground, and the children are going to weave some different materials that we've collected, long bits of bark and some flax, some different materials to just create a woven art piece that leads them out into the bush.
So I'll just be here.
Cooper, get it. Think about all the different symbols and stuff you can make. Can you pass that?
So we've sort of heightened their awareness of natural materials and being in the bush, and hopefully that'll transfer into some creative work this afternoon.
I just started the black for you, Molly.
Yep.
Was that all right?